Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery on a 1981 CT110. First off, you want to use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove the battery bracket and the ground wire. Disconnect the positive wire by pulling the connector apart. Keep in mind that your wiring might be slightly different than mine. Now just reverse the process with a new battery. Make sure you reconnect the battery vent line to the battery. Forgetting to do so can result in battery acid leaking out and damaging your paint.